sure if you know this, but when we first met, I got so nervous I couldn't speak. And that very moment I found the one my life had found willingly. So as long as I live, I love you, will have and hold you. You look so beautiful in white, and from now to my very last breath, till the day I